We interrupt our programming at this time. Darwin is being bombed. We don't know who is doing this. This is not a drill. Seek shelter immediately. Go to a bomb shelter if you have one. If you do not have immediate access to one, go to your basement or the center of the lowest floor of the closest building to you. Avoid areas that may be targeted, such as police stations, landmarks, or other government structures. This is not a drill. Please stand by. The government has released details on today's incident. 188 Japanese bombers were used against Darwin, targeting Allied ships. There are too many bodies to count. Some Japanese planes crashed into the ground because the fog was so strong they couldn't see. The government is planning a retaliation.